Hey guys, it's Meek and Noelle, and today I'm doing something a little different than reviewing clothes. Today I will be trying to make slime for you guys. That's why I'm tying up my hair. I learned this from Karina Garcia. You can go check her out. Well, I guess let's get started. Today I will be using Colgate Total. You will need a mixing bowl, microwave safe. You'll need a spoon, any type of spoon. You will need measuring cups. You will need lotion. And you need a microwave. I'll be back in 1 second to go set my microwave. I'll be back in 1 second. I am back, and there's also one more ingredient. This is optional. Food coloring. This is optional. So I set my microwave to 45 seconds, and if you need more time, well, it's supposed to be a minute, but just to be safe, I'm going to do 45 seconds. If I need more, I'll add another 15. So let's start. So first you're going to start by opening your toothpaste. Now I'm opening my box. Let me see, I got my tube. I am going to put in, well, let's start with half a cup. I will be right back when my toothpaste is done. See you in 1 second. Okay, so I'm back, and I filled my half of a cup all the way. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it into our bowl. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, this is hard to get out. I'm quickly gonna go grab a knife. 1 second. With a butter knife, and now to scrape this off. It's like icing. Scraping icing out of a bowl. It's really not like that though. Now that I've emptied as much as I could out of my bowl, I am going to add in some food coloring. Today we will be adding pink. Make it purple. Okay, let's stir this in. Here, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. See how we have that? And we are just going to mix that in. And, I think we should go a bit darker. Yeah, let's add a bit more pink. So I am back with the color that I wanted. It's not too purple, it's not too blue, not too pink, but it's this really nice violet color. Okay, so the next step that we are gonna do is put it in a microwave. Okay, so I am back from the microwave. I can tell you it doesn't smell as good as it did when it went in the microwave. also we will be testing out if this is a DIY or a DI don't. Just beware of your eyes, it is very minty. Right now it's still kind of liquid. I'm gonna pop it in for another 15 seconds and I will see you guys then. Bye. I am back with my mixture. I'm gonna move to a knife this time to stir. It's still liquid. What am I doing wrong, guys? I don't get it. Maybe too much food coloring? It's just turning into liquid. Okay. Just toothpaste. Warm toothpaste. Oh, but do beware. It hurts your eyes. It's not working. What I am gonna do, since I only use a little bit, well, quite a bit of this bottle, you can add the rest of your toothpaste in. Oh, don't go over top of it after you put it in the microwave. It's not be the greatest. Okay. Now let's mix in the toothpaste. Mix, 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 mix. And I am gonna pop it in the microwave for another 30 seconds. So I'll see you then. So I am back with my mixture and it is the same as last time. Just normal toothpaste. I guess this didn't work, guys. I don't know what else to do. Didn't even slime.